I know I said no talking about anyways. Okay, 2 modifiers. Right, let's go. Damn, it's lagging. No, my voice might sound bad. It's like my recording. It's not good. I think I'm gonna get a new recording set or something. Hmm. Are you serious? These level rooms, like, bro, these just room speed runs. So does whole. It's always in events, bro. That's all in events. Mobile. Yo, it's races in the third room. God dang. Akira, are you serious, bro? Like, there was... Oh my... Let's just get on to the video. So let's take all these. Let's take all the money from El Gobino. Hola, hola, gold. The key might be here. Okay, that gives me so much coins. Probably about like a 100. I think the key is here. Okay, this one. I'm gonna open the... Bro, guiding light, are you gonna help me or something? I forgot it was a dupe room. Is it? Or is it not? Probably not. Finally, guiding light is coming. Guiding light? I might like speak pretty fast. That's why my voice cracks every time. So this, I actually like guiding light. I wish there was like so many guiding lights all the time. Cause the lighting is better than this one. For the guy graphics, are they high? I don't know, man. Right, let's go. I'm pretty sure it wasn't dupe. It wasn't. Yo, this video is like, you know, the 40 minutes. Damn, is that months ago? Right. Yo, guys, you should subscribe for FireRomanRBLX. My friend So yeah, do it right now. Or maybe after the video. Bro, I literally have like 70 subscribers. Don't have much. Oh, this is stupid. Yep, I knew you were coming. Please don't be a key room, bro. It is, bro. It has. Yo, bro, are you here? People are dying to get here. Get it? Because people die low. Those are just the most funniest thing. Never mind. Okay, rush saves us with dupe. I have like 830. Modifiers, bro. The best. Oh! I saw nothing. I saw nothing, bro. I saw nothing. Bro, of course. Bro, what? Oh, it's not a dupe. Oh! Oh! Wait, this is actually the thumbnail. Eyes. You know, remember 7 months ago? Eyes. Eyes. Like in the hallway. This is why it was the purple light. Get it? Get it now? I actually like the eyes shading. But Eyes is going to die now. Bye. Rip. Was that Rush? Just checking if it's dupe rooms. There was no way I saw that dupe room. Hello, Rush. Nobody likes you. You're almost classic and like I don't know what to say, bro. Might not be like 30 minutes because the storage is getting too high. Like, bro, this is why I don't record like usually so much. I'm gonna delete videos that are like shorts because I forgot how to make shorts. You know, YouTube shorts. You thought I could not hear you. I'm so tired, bro. But I'm not gonna sleep. I have no sleep, bro. I have to wait like the 22nd December so I can like sleep forever. I knew the key was here. Why is there nothing? Are you serious? 13,000 coins. I meant no, 1.3 thousand coins. It's because of the illegal beginner no modifier. I swear if this is a dupe dart. Excuse me. Yo, is this a dupe room? I don't know, bro. Yeah, it was. Wait, was that flicker? Was that Seeks? Oh god dang! But we could have got the cross effect! Oh, I should have used the more stuffing! Yo, is a monster coming? Okay, candle. Okay, bro, there's like 3 dupe doors. Has to be this. Okay, feel like a dupe door. Okay, is that my monster? Yeah, it was. Okay, that was so much coins. Bro, I cannot see. Oh, that was so close. Is that a monster? Oh, tactical seek. Sorry. Just wondering where the frames were going. I'm sorry, guys. That was nothing. Just wanted some chips. Oh no, it's our new dog. Cause we lost. Bro, what? Bro, I don't understand anything. But, oh, bro, that was actually the most. I don't even understand. Maybe I should know that. Oh no, I'm gonna die, guys. If I die, the video ends. Okay, it doesn't end, but chill for me. See, it's complete lag. This is because of all the videos I'm recording. Yeah, guys, I'm gonna die. Rip. Oh, rip. Yeah, I died. Did that jump scare you? See, guys, this is not for all ages. Okay, this sucks. Wait, can I revive? Wait, when could I revive? Guys, should I do it? I mean, no, man. But rip, anyways. But was this a fun video? Thanks. If you enjoyed it, thanks so much, and don't forget to like and subscribe. If you want to, but if you like, I don't know, man. What's gonna happen when you like? It turns blue or white. Okay, bye, guys.